Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Windshield Wizard. My name is George. Today we're gonna talk about this beautiful windshield or glass repair kit. It's ZS-4000 made by Quick Fix. So today is gonna be just an overview and some experience with this repair kit. I will post videos how to do, what not to do later on. But today is going to be just the overview. I'm going to show. So the kit is coming in a box like this, right? It has another compartments on top of it for the small stuff, right? So in the first compartment we have a rechargeable drill. Very nice actually, so you don't have a cable. Your charger is included, of course, and also I already have a little drill here. Just be careful when you tight the drill bit inside, but overall it's working great. And also included in the kit, how many? I believe, so altogether 5 extra drill bits in a little bag. So that's one compartment. In another compartment we have protective film. I don't know how many, wow. Some scraper or razor blade or scraper when you're done. Also 2 sets of O-rings. They are different color and different quantity. So one of them on the tip of the plunger and the other one for the plunger itself. So you can reuse multiple times. So that's another compartment here. So inside, what do we have inside? Inside we have we have actually 5 bottles of resin. We have so let's start from, we have ultra thin 2 bottles. We have a pit filler, pit polish, and all-purpose. We also have an extra light bulb for the flashlight. We have a funnel when you're working with bridge, and it's required to be on a like when glass is pretty much vertical or slightly on an angle, so you need to have a funnel to fill up your resin in, right? You have a pick, or I don't know, it's a metal part when you need to clean up the stone chip area, working area, so you're using this. Okay, and so that's a top compartment. Inside we have a major player in this kit. It's a bridge. It's a single bridge. All right. You have a flashlight holder with suction cup and flashlight itself. This is the extra light bulb for it I was talking about. So that's a flashlight and its holder. Of course, we have a charger with extra battery on it. It's actually very helpful and it's holding charge very good. So what I have in my van, one is on charging, another one in the flashlight, and you always have charged batteries. All right. Of course, safety first. Just don't think safety is not that important. Safety, it is important, and wear your safety glasses all the time. Don't hesitate, glasses on, and then start working, because you never know what's going to happen, right? So safety glasses. All manuals nowadays is on a USB. Like good information here, what to do, how to do, some useful information basically, so helpful. Also you have a plunger, so you have a plunger, and remember remember I was talking about two different kinds of O-rings. So one, the dark red, that's for plunger, and the orange one, that's for your bridge, for your tip over here for plunger. And pretty much that's it, and some brochure here. All right, that's what's included in the kit. I'm gonna leave link description where to buy. Of course, you can buy from this company, or you can buy from company I bought from. It's a windshield supplier here in Ontario. And yeah, either or. Alright, so this is all about kit ZS-4000 made by Quick Fix. Alright, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also make a comment, ask questions, like make a comment what you think about this video, what do you think about this this kit. We can chat about. It will help to move my videos on the YouTube platform quicker, and more people will see it. All right. So like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Windshield Wizard. Thank you very much, boys and girls.